welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover, and I took like a month off, so let's talk about it. So I've been pretty absent on not just YouTube, on TikTok and Instagram, just social media across the board. I've been absent except for my book accounts because I've been reading a lot and buying books, which I don't need. It is what it is. This is a video that's hopefully a little bit shorter. This is just a video where I talk about where I've been as I do my makeup, which is just my base makeup because I have stuff to do today. But I also talk about the plans for my channel and just things that have been going on in my life. So I am going to just stop talking and let's just get into me talking about everything I just mentioned. I hope the lighting's okay. I have not sat down to film in weeks, so let's just hop into it. I am just doing my base makeup today because I have to run to work for a couple hours and I want to not do eye makeup just yet. So I'm going to start with my Naked Sunday sunscreen. It's also a moisturizer with SPF of 50. Love this stuff. I'm almost out of it. I should be using this every day and I haven't been. I've been kind of slacking on literally everything. What I've been up to lately is a whole lot of nothing. So it's actually the 27th today. I'm going to try to get this edited and uploaded tomorrow. But I've been working my retail job a lot more and I have not done any sort of like content creation since, it's been over like a month if you don't count the 2 videos I did, and let that sort of sink in and move on to my brows. For my brows, I'm going to go with my LAJ brow pencil. Unfortunately, this brand is in the process of closing, so if you're interested in some really great products for super cheap, check out LAJ Beauty. A lot of her stuff is on major clearance. Let me just do my brows really quick and then I will move on to what else I've been up to this month. I have taken like the last month to just, I don't know. Like, I haven't been doing too bad mentally, surprisingly, apart from like the end of June with it being the anniversary of my dad's death, but I've been okay, surprisingly. This is the Anastasia Beauty Balm. So I have just been kind of like relaxing in between working a little bit more, which I need to talk to my manager about. I've been working, I've been reading. I read a lot this month. As of right now, I have read 38 books. I will say that it's not like 38 like 400 plus page books. No, I was on my Kindle and I read a bunch of like novellas, like less than 200 pages, and those were like very fun. Just a little brush that has a little bit of bronzer on it. It's fine. I've been reading. I will do a reading wrap up later this week. Have that posted around the 1st. Just been reading. I've been just working on things around the apartment, redoing our budget because we're trying to afford a house and it's not looking promising. Like, each month forward just does not look promising at all. This beauty balm, I like it because it's light and it looks bad before it looks good. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh, trying to buy a house. This is the Merit bronzing stick. It doesn't look promising. We just recently signed our new lease for another year at this apartment and we greatly regret that because literally the other day we had a person in a car. Like, my apartment is on like a U road, so it's like, so you have like the road and then it's like a U because all the apartments are around this road, and we live closer to a curve of the road, and this dude comes, I guess, like flying around the corner. Speed limit's 15 miles per hour, granted. He comes flying around the corner and slams into not 1 but 5 parked cars. Luckily, me and my husband did not park on that side of the parking spots, which we almost did because those spots were open, but we were like, we'll change it up and park somewhere else. Because if we would have parked there, our cars would have been totaled. That happened. Cops were called. There was a whole ordeal. And like, it wasn't even his car that he was driving. But like, he went like, I don't know, like 90, 80, between 80 and 100 around that curve. And someone was walking to the dumpster. Like, they went to throw something away and they were walking back. And they almost got hit. There was only 2 people outside at the time to witness this, and then we were inside. We just heard the crash, and we were like, oh my god. Oh, this is the Kosas concealer. Anyways, so that happened, and we're like, man, we just signed our lease. Just, there's more to it that happened, but I don't want to get into it. Just crazy. And other than that, I haven't really done much. I have been suffering from bug bites. We figured out what was happening, so all I gotta do is avoid that, and then I won't have any more bug bites. Anyways, powders, I have my Elli one and my Kosas one. I'm just going to set really quick and then continue on. Alright, I'm gonna powder a little bit more, but I want to do my faux freckles. I'm actually almost out of this. It's crazy. I'm just gonna dot my finger and use that, because I feel like it just makes it look a little bit better. I've been struggling with my faux freckles, not looking very nice. But this is only like my 5th time doing makeup this month. I literally have been just no makeup at all, which is, you know, fine. Give my skin a little bit of a break. Of course, my skin breaks out more when I don't do my makeup, but make it make sense. I'm listening to a YouTube video and I'm getting distracted. So what I want to do going forward with my channel is just continue to make content. I'm not giving up on makeup. I don't know. Taking a month off of content creation is just, it's been kind of nice. And I feel a little bit more invigorated to create, even though I have no idea what any of the new makeup launches are, like at all. Nabla bronzer. I am planning on doing 31 days of Halloween. I, for the most part, have 95% finalized the list of videos I want to do for Halloween for YouTube, and I do plan on starting to film those videos fairly soon, within the next couple weeks, just because I want to get ahead and have as much pre-filmed as possible so I'm not falling behind and scrambling in October and then not even enjoy the spooky season. But I'm also trying to just prep videos, like video ideas and stuff, for August and September. I honestly have no idea what I'm going to be doing for anything really for the next 2 months. I don't want to just solely focus on Halloween. I want to focus on other content, so if you have any video suggestions, please let me know. I like doing my book content, even though it doesn't do very well on this channel, but it is what it is. The Twilight Vampire Skin from Colourpop. Still love this highlight so much. So I will be just doing some pre-filming and getting ready for spooky season. I bought some face paint, so hopefully that's supposed to arrive today. I can just figure it out. I have to work around my work schedule with filming, and obviously I plan on trying to do some more intricate stuff, which will take, you know, a full day or multiple days of filming, and I want to make sure I have ample time to get everything done before October 1st. I kind of figure if I can get the Halloween videos done for YouTube ahead of time, I can then focus in October doing videos on TikTok and Instagram. This is my Lottie London Serene blush. I just, yeah, that's the plan going forward. I just don't know what sort of videos to do. I do want to go to Ulta and pick up some new makeup. I've been wanting to try, the only one I know of, which I think it came out a while ago, is the e.l.f. like Satin foundation. I really want to try that one. But I did get some PR sent to me over the last month, which I think I'm going to film that video next, just to share, and you guys can tell me what you think I should use first. But I am excited for what the future will hopefully hold. I don't want to look at the numbers anymore and look at like my subscriber. I just want to try to build my engagement, which if anybody has any tips for that, like I just want to connect with people, like feel like I have I want to feel like I have friends. Urban Decay Watermelon All-Nighter Spray. I love this stuff. I don't even know if I explained anything in this video. I'm going to finish off my brows with a little brow gel. Just basically, to sum it up, I'm here, I'm back, hopefully doing okay mentally, prepping for Halloween. Pretty much it. It's a shame ABH Beauty is shutting down. I love her products, but I'm excited to see what she does in the future. This is as good as it's gonna get for right now. I am going to do something with jewelry, and I don't know what I'm doing with my hair, but I'll be back to wrap up this video eventually. Alright, and here is my finished look. I am done with all the base makeup. I will say about this, it does look horrible at first, but it warms up to my skin and it actually looks pretty good throughout the rest of the day. So I'll take the little bit of it looking rough in the beginning just to have it good for the rest of the day. But this is basically what I'm going to be dealing with. I just have a little bit of work to do and I will be back to film some content, because it's either I film content or I sit down and read, and I feel like I should be a little more productive. I just want to thank everyone for being understanding about me going away for a bit, but I'm feeling good. I'm actually feeling pretty good. So it's a weird feeling, honestly, to feel good. I am excited to get back to filming and creating content and just being more active and, you know, growing more and have more opportunities come my way. So thank you everyone for watching. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere, and I've been more active on my book account. So you can find me on TikTok and Instagram under Ashley with 2h's.reads. But I think that's it. Let me know what sort of videos you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.